Now children will see education and health. The most educationally backward district of our state, Raichur and Yadagir, belongs to this division. See, the most backward division in education is Raichur and Yadagir, which belongs to this state. The literacy rate, the key indicator to education, is lowest here. Recently there are improvement in this area. Gulbarga University and Central University are in Kalburgi city of this division. Kannada University is in Hampi. Shri Krishna Devaraya University is in Ballari and Agricultural University is in Raichur of this division. Bidar has Animal Husbandry and Fisheries University. There is a Buddha Vihara in Kalburgi. Means what they are saying here, agriculture rate is low, no? So they are improving that areas by constructing so many universities. For that they have Gulbarga University, Central University in Kalburgi, Kannada University is in Hampi, Shri Krishna Devaraya University in Bellary, Agricultural University is in Raichur. Bidar has Animal Husbandry and Fishery University. In this division we have 4 universities. Okay. Next we have Buddha Vihara in Kalburgi. Okay. Medical colleges are there in Ballari, Kalburgi, Bidar and Raichur of this division. Every district has a district hospital. Health sub-centers are there to provide health care facilities to the rural population. There is a development in the field of education and health. A big ESI hospital is also there. Means here they have given here medical colleges and medical hospitals are there in every districts. In every districts there is a district hospital also. There are so many health sub centers in this division. Why? To give proper health to the common people and for the rural population also. Here they have a big ESI in this division also. Okay. See here children, they have given here the pictures of Buddha Vihara and Gulbarga University. See, this is Gulbarga University and this is Buddha Vihara. Okay. Now we'll see cultural heritage. As already said, the Kalburgi division is culturally rich, though it is poor in economic aspects. The district of Kalburgi division has contributed more in the field of art, music, painting, theatre, floor dance and other performing arts. Means we have already said, no children, this Kalburgi division is very rich in what? Art and music, theatre, floor and all. There also performs musics and all, no children. Here also they are saying it is poor but also it is more rich in all this paintings, means cultural heritages. Okay. This division has 4 important ancient dynasties of Karnataka. They are Rashtrakuta, Kalyana Chalukya, Vijayanagara and Bahamani kings. These dynasties have encouraged art and literature. This division is known as professional theatres. See what they are saying here. They are having 4 dynasties. No, see, Rashtrakuta, Kalyana Chalukya, Vijayanagara and Bahamani. These 4 dynasties also encouraged field of art and literature. So this division is also called as professional theatres. Means when we want some professions, we can go there and we can get so many experts there in this field. Okay. Cottage industries of Bidari, art of Bidar, toys of Kinala, blanket of Koppal are there in this division. The fort of Bidar, monuments of Hampi, Basavanna monument of Basava Kalyana, Quaza Bande Nawaz Dargah of Kalburgi are, and monument of Sanati are the fine example of architecture. What they are saying here cottage industries of Bidar and the Bidri Hat is famous in Bidar. Toys are famous in Kinala. Blankets are famous in Koppal. And the fort of Bidar, monuments of Hampi, Basava monument of Basava Kalyana, Quaza Bande Nawaza Dargah of Kalburgi and monuments of Sanati are the fine example of architecture. Okay. Now see here they have given Kinale's toy, means it will be moving, no children, the head will be moving, no, that type of toys. Okay. Now children will see freedom fighters. While the people from other parts of Karnataka participated in the freedom struggle and Karnataka integration movement, the people of Kalburgi division had to participate in agitation against the Hyderabad Nizam's rule. Apart from the two above mentioned struggles, two developments with regards to freedom struggle deserved mention here. The first in the library movement aimed at instilling national spirit, and the second is the opening national schools to educate children. Four national schools were established here. They are, now children see what are the schools they have established here. Nutan Vidyalay Kalburgi, when they have established this in 1907. Usmania National School, Chincholi. Vidyananda Gurukula, Kukanur, 1922, they have established this. Hamdan National School, Raichur, 1922, they have established in this year. Okay, see children here, what they have given here. As Karnataka was struggling, no children, as the Nizams were under this Kalburgi division was under the Nizam rule. The common people has been revolted war against them, right? From that, what they have done two revolts. Two struggles. One is Hyderabad was under the Nizam rule. Next, they were not participated in the freedom struggle. Okay. Next, the development was under the freedom struggles. The freedom fighters of this division were so many people. They have not only for the national, for the personal aspect also, they have started schools. Why they have started the school? For making their division more populated, and they make their division so educated. It was not so educated, no children. So only Nizams came and they ruled. When they are educated, the people may also know that what are all the problems they are facing, no? So they started the schools. What are the schools? Nutan Vidyalay School, Usmania National School, Vijayananda Gurukula and Hamdana National School, they were started. Okay. Now we'll see the freedom fighters. Okay. The national spirit in this division was the result of movements like Arya Samaj and Vande Mataram. Kalyan Shetty of Maregaon built Tarun Sangh to take part in freedom struggle. Chandrasekhar Patil of Maregaon led it as its president. Sri Ramanatha Tirtha of this division is the prominent freedom fighter. Apart from him, thousands of people had joined freedom struggle. Sardar Sharanagowda Inmandhar and the prominent person in the struggle liberation from Nizam's rule movement. The Razakars, the private army of Nizams, harassed the people of Kalburgi inhumanly. People resisted there ferociously. Though India got independence on August 15, 1947, the Kalburgi division became independent on September 17, 1948 when Nizam kingdom was annexed to India. Yes, see children, this national spirit was there. No, this spirit has came to the movement called Arya Samaj and Vande Mataram. These are the movement which came into force. This movement was led by Kalyan Shetty, Maregaon, who built Tarun Sangh to take part in freedom struggle. Chandrasekhar Patil, Maregaon led the president. He was the president and started the movement called Tarun Sangh. Okay. Sri Ramananda Tirtha of this division is prominent freedom fighter. Who is prominent freedom fighter? Ramanath Tirtha. You can see your children the picture of Ramanath Tirtha. Apart from these three, the other most prominent persons were there. Thousands of people joined this movement. Why? Because they want the freedom from the Nizam's rules. No. So there Sardar Sharan Gowda Himandar was the prominent person who struggled against the Nizam rule. Okay. Now the private army was there, no children, Nizams. They started, the Razaks who were having the prominent party, no, they harassed the people. So what the people had did? They forcibly attended freedom fighter because they harassed the humans, right? So they came to the independence. We got independence in August 15, 1947, no children, but Kalburgi was under the Nizam's rule and came independent on 17th September 1948. Okay, when after the Nizams came and they gave in, they are in a part of India. Okay. Now children will see the uniqueness of the districts of this division. Though the division has 4 districts in the beginning, now the total number of districts is 6. In 1997, the district of Raichur was divided to create Koppala district. And in year 2010, Kalburgi division was divided to create Yadagir district. The Islamic heart flourished during the reign of Bahmani rulers. The district has many ancient monuments and sanatis in the most famous of them. There are many Buddha Vihara monuments. Manyaketa is on the banks of river Kagina. See what they have given children. What is the uniqueness of this division? Means firstly it was having total number of 4 division. When it started it was having 4 districts, but now it is having 6. How in 1997 the Raichur division was divided into Koppal district, Raichur and Koppal. And in 2010 the Kalburgi division has been created as a Yadagiri district. Why? To develop these divisions. Okay. The Islamic art also been flourished. During whom period it was flourished? During the Bahmani rulers period it has been developed. And here the district has so many monuments, sanatis were famous. Here so many Buddha Viharas also there. Okay. Manyaketa, which is in the banks of river Kagina, is very uniqueness in this division. Okay. Now we will see Kalburgi district. This is a border district. It is said to have been in extent since 10th and 11th century CE. It was the capital city of Bahmani rulers during 13th century CE. This district was divided in 2010 to create Yadagir district. The major crops of this district are pulses, maize, cotton and horticulture. Means what they are saying children here, it is a border district. It is been existing since 10th and 11th century. It has been extincting. In that time it has been extended, and it was a capital city of Bahmani rulers, no, when it is in 13th century. And this Kalburgi division has been divided into 2, that is Yadagiri district, when in 2010. The major crops of these districts are pulses, maize, cotton and horticulture. Okay. The longest cannon in this world, measuring 27 feet, belongs to Bahmani period, is in this district. The fair of Sharanabasaveshwara temple of Kalburgi city attracts thousands of devotees every year. Means they are saying children here, the longest cannon where it is there measuring 27 feet, which belongs to Bahmani period, is in this district. Okay. See children, then it has having thousands of devotees. It will attract what? The Shravana temple, which is in Kalburgi, and the Urus of Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah attract thousands of devotees. Okay. And you know children, this is very famous. The Hindus also will go and pray there. Okay. Next, the Gumbes of this districts have paintings. See, we'll see now here. Okay. The Gumbes of this districts have paintings on them painted using natural dyes. The fort built by Bahmani ruler in 1347 CE. It attractive. Recently Siddhartha Buddha Vihara has been built in Kalburgi, which was inaugurated by Tibetan leader Dalai Lama. Ganagapur, the Dattatreya Center, is on the banks of river Bhima, a pilgrimage center. What they are saying children here, they have built a fort and sorry, they have built a painting. Districts are very painting, no. Gumbaz is a famous paintings which are painted using natural dyes, means from flowers and flower leaves, from birds they have taken, no, that natural dyes they have used for painting. And the fort, the Bahmani were built, no, that is in 1347 CE, which was more attractive tourist place now also. Claim. Recently, Siddhartha Buddha Vihara has been built in Kalburgi, which was inaugurated by Tibetan leader called Dalai Lama. Next, Ganagapur, the Dattatreya center is in the banks of the river Bhima. Okay, it is a pilgrimage center. See children, now we will see. The district has two universities, Kalburgi University and Central University. See, this district has two, majorly it has two universities. One is Kalburgi and one is Central University. Okay. See here, there is 52 feet pillar in Sedem Taluk, which is called Bananti Kamba. This pillar is not fixed into the ground. One can pass a thin cloth across its base. Marathur is another historical place in this district. It is the birthplace of Vigneshwara, who wrote Hindu Samhite. There are many cement factories in this district. What they are saying here children, they are having 2 feet pillar, 52 feet pillar, but when a thin cloth is passed on the base, it can be moved from this 10 to that 10, means it has not fixed to the base. And the Marathur is another historical place, where in this place the Vigneshwara, who wrote Hindu Samhita, has been born. In this district so many cement factories are there. Okay. Now see children, this is Quasi Bande Nawaze Dargah. This is a picture of Quasi Bande Nawaze Dargah. Okay.